What if learning just one AI skill today could help you start earning online sooner than you ever imagined? Businesses worldwide are hiring people with AI skills because they save time, improve quality, and increase productivity. The right AI skills can help you work faster, solve real problems, and create valuable digital services for different clients. Our first skill is AI content writing. It helps create clear, organized, and engaging written content, much more efficiently. This skill helps organize ideas and create different types of written content quickly and efficiently. Practice with simple writing tasks every day to improve your prompts and your editing skills over time. Start by creating one simple practice project and keep improving it as your skills grow. Now let's explore another useful AI skill that focuses on creating and improving videos. Our next skill is AI video editing, helping creators produce professional videos faster with modern editing tools. AI video editing helps organize clips, improve quality, and speed up the editing process with modern technology. Many editing tasks can now be completed much faster, allowing creators to focus more on creativity and storytelling. Start with a beginner-friendly AI video editor and practice creating short, educational, or creative projects. Create one complete practice video from start to finish, and review your progress after every project. Our next skill focuses on designing clear and attractive thumbnails for online videos and digital content. A strong thumbnail helps viewers quickly understand the topic and makes content easier to notice. Practice by designing different thumbnails, then continue learning the next exciting AI skill. Our next AI skill is automation, helping organize repetitive digital tasks more efficiently every day. Automation connects everyday digital tasks, reducing manual work and improving overall productivity. Start with beginner-friendly automation tools and build simple workflows using easy visual editors. Practice by creating one simple workflow that organizes information automatically with minimal effort. Our next skill is AI research, making it easier to collect, organize, and understand information. AI research tools quickly organize information, highlight key ideas, and simplify complex topics. Use trusted AI research assistants to explore topics, compare sources, and organize your learning. Practice regularly, keep improving your skills, and every small project will help you grow with confidence. I hope this video helped you understand these AI-sized skills and inspired you to start learning something new today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next AI video.